Masquera say More Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya pana ino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa garoka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasu More Zimbabwe, takuigirai a controversial move yaitwa na Zanu PF structures in Manicaland province. Avo reignite a debate about the presidential term limit ya muno Zimbabwe. The party yabuda yachikola Mnangagwa kuti vanenge vachitonga beyond 2030. Vakataura ivo vachiti president Emerson Mnangagwa vanofana kutonga kusvika vafa mari yeZimbabwe. Vabuda vachitaura izvi ite chimanimani inter-district meeting yakaitwa kubiriri over the weekend. Apo senior party officials anga aripo kusanganisira Zanu PF Manicaland provincial chairperson Tawanda Mukodza, provincial youth chairperson Stanley Sakupwanya, Chimanimani district development coordinating committee chairperson Brighton Muchua, Chimanimani West legislator Wilson Maposa, and Chimanimani East MP Joshua Sako. Uyo anwa zakari a Politburo member. So Joshua Sako and the guest of honor during this meeting. So Muchua wabuda address hundreds of Zanu PF supporters vachitaura ivo vachiti vanofollowa kune power. The President Emerson Mnangagwa is the one in power and they are going to be loyal to him. Vakataura ivo vachiti they made it clear kuti they are going to make sure they are going to have loyalty kuna Mnangagwa kusvika vafa muri Zimbabwe. Vakataura vachiti as a district they are saying kuti they are behind Mnangagwa beyond 2030 muri Zimbabwe. Vamukodza vakabuda vachireinforce a stance yavo vachirefer to the party's annual conference yakaitwa kuBulawayo last year. Vachitaura ivo vachiti yanga ne resolution to adapt the extension of Mnangagwa's term to 2030 muri Zimbabwe. Tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi yakabuda ichitaurwa neMyZimbabwe.com vachitaura vachiti a controversial move by Zanu PF structures in Manicaland province is reigniting debate about presidential term limits in Zimbabwe. The party's call for President Emerson Mnangagwa to remain in office beyond 2030, effectively a lifelong presidency, echoes the controversial actions of the late Robert Mugabe's era and has drawn sharp criticism. The demand, reviewed at the Chimanimani inter-district meeting in Biriri over the weekend, was made by senior party officials, including Zanu PF Manicaland provincial chairperson Tawanda Mukodza, provincial youth chairperson Stanley Sakupwanya, Chimanimani district development coordinating committee chairperson Brighton Muchua, Chimanimani West legislator Wilson Maposa, and Chimanimani East MP Joshua Sako, also a Politburo member. Sako was the guest of honor at the meeting. Addressing hundreds of Zanu PF supporters, Muchua explicitly stated their position. We follow where there is power, and President Emerson Mnangagwa has power, and we are loyal to him. One day I was in office with my chairperson, Tawanda Mukodza, and it was clear to me that in life, if you have loyalty, you won't have problems. As a district, we are saying that we are behind President Emerson Mnangagwa, and we resolved that he should go beyond 2030. Mukodza reinforced this stance, referencing the party's annual conference in Bulawayo last year, where a resolution was adopted to extend Mnangagwa's term to 2030. We are not going back on the President Emerson Mnangagwa 2030 issue. We are the provincial inter-district. We went to the central committee and we went to a conference and agreed that our president should remain until 2030, and we need to implement that to happen. I heard that there are some people who are questioning in villages about the resolutions made in Bulawayo, comrades. This is what we agreed as Zanu PF. We don't want people to come here and divide the party and district. The move is not without precedent. It recalls the attempts during Mugabe's long reign to secure his position indefinitely, a strategy that ultimately contributed to his downfall in the November 2017 coup. Some of Mugabe's loyalists who supported efforts were subsequently forced to leave the country. Currently, Zanu PF is experiencing internal conflict over plans to extend Mnangagwa's term. With the 2030 resolution facing resistance within the party, President Mnangagwa himself has publicly stated his intention to retire at the end of his constitutionally mandated 2 terms in 2028, contradicting the Manicaland province demand. Mukoja's comment further reveal the strong arm tactics being employed to enforce the 2030 agenda. He issued a thinly veiled threat against those expressing dissent. There are some individuals who have gone out of way, even saying bad things about the presidium. We don't allow indiscipline. In the party, we are going to deal with them, and we are very serious. Reports suggest that structures perceived as unsupportive in the resolution are facing intimidation and being denied access to crucial resources such as food aid and agricultural inputs. This highlights the internal power struggle within Zanu PF and the lengths to which some are willing to go to maintain their position. The Manicaland declaration underscores the deep division within the ruling party and raises serious concerns about the future of democratic processes in Zimbabwe. The push for Mnangagwa to remain in power beyond 2030 is a significant development with far-reaching implications for the country's political landscape. Ndobabuditsirwa wakati kwenye iyi muri Zimbabwe tisingaziwe kuti munoona sei tudziswa muri kufunga mu comment section.
2033
Mnangagwa vanenge vachitonga.
Mnangagwa vanenge vachitonga
2033
pasina mandu
pasina.
tatoona kuti
Andidzogorora inoona.
vamberi vabatana
Vamberi
pasina mandu
pasina.
zvataona ka 2030 ka padhuze 2033 komana ka tenge tava muhuchi nemukaka. Chairman, ndosaka taona tikatayo pa 2033 panenge pari chii pakanaka. Ndoda kukutendai mose nekuuya kwamaita musha upino zone 6 chairman. Tikufara zvikuru tine nhengo dzeCentral Committee dzatiri kuona pano, nhengo dzeprovince, ma-DCC members, machairman emumusha, tine machairman emabranch, nevamwe vese vauya pano kuzotikuta kuti chiita chiitikwe ichi. Chunhu chakanaka chekuti tionane sezvo gore riri kupera kudai. Ndoda kutenda kuna VC chairman navamasimirembwa nekubvumira kuita kuti tiite chirongwa chakadai. Iri nyaya yekuti tofanira tive tikabatana pamwe chete. Kwatakuenda uku ndofunga muri kuona basa riri kuitwa neprovince. Munhu wese asiri kufamba zvakanaka anomboenda pai? So izvozvozvo tikasazviita izvozvo musangano wedu haufambi zvakaita sei zvakanaka. Saka ngatifambe tiri pamwe chete, zvinhu zvedu zviendeke, tive nezororo rakadii rakanaka, endi tichionesana panapa tese kuti aiwa kune mangwana futi, zvichireva kuti patinoenda umu ngative tichifara tichiziva kuti ramangwana futi tichange chingati tiripo tichienderera mberi nemusangano wedu weZanu PF. Hakuna zuva rinobuda kuine rimwe zuva.